Hello, and welcome to day 5, Friday, March 19th. It is our last day in this week. Let's see what we have to do for today. Remember, it's a Friday, so that means it's an async day. We will not meet together on Zoom as a class. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. You have 2 activities to do. First activity is to read Spark article called Finding a New Job in Your Field. So you will click here to get to the article. There are 2 questions that can help you give a little explanation. The reader can tell. When you see this type of question or statement, that means you will infer. Okay, so we've been talking about inferring. And the summary, you will find a summary. Basically, when it says what is the best summary of the article, it's just one sentence to focus on the article. Basically, you're looking for the main idea, but it is a summary. And your second activity is your deliverable. Okay. So remember, you will sign in to Carlos Rosario email, and then you will click My Document, and then here is the document. So what you will do is you will look for some jobs on Indeed or Monster or any job website you know or have used, and you put the job title, the location, the shift, the salary, and the skills. So that's all you're filling out. 3 different jobs you would like to apply to. And if possible, maybe you should apply to them just for practice if you already have a job you like, or if you're looking for a job, send in your information. So you have to find what's the job title, the location, the shift, the salary, and the skills needed. That is all you're filling out, 3 different job postings. And that's it for, and remember to submit, come back to Schoology and submit. That's it for async. I do have office hours, but my office hours will be a little different. I will be meeting with each person for about 15 minutes. These people on the list, and the rest will come next week to talk about your SMART goal, right? So I'm going to either talk about the audio you did or the one that you did when you talked about each goal, okay, or one goal. So we're going to have one focus on one SMART goal for this semester. So if you didn't do the assignment, come and think about it. What is your short-term goal to complete by June 2021? That's what we'll focus on. Okay? And that's it. Good luck.